Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 MTB Flywheel. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is MTB Flywheel. Specifications. Material, steel. Adjustable gear number, 11 speed. Gear teeth, 36 to 42 T. Freewheel speed, 10. Components, freewheel. Is customized, no. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is Sunshine MTB Freewheel. Specifications. Material, carbon steel. Gear teeth, 50. Freewheel speed, 12. Is customized, yes. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Origin, mainland China. Components, freewheel. As the item number 3 we've selected, VG Sports Freewheel. Specifications. Brand name, VG Sports. Model number, Z5321. Is customized, yes. Sensitivity, 72 sounds. Adjustable gear number, 12 speed. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 51 T. Components, freewheel. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is Sunrays 12-speed freewheel. Specifications. Model number, CSMZ90. Type, MTB bike freewheel. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, alloy. Gear teeth, 11 to 50. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, MTB Freewheel. Specifications. Brand name, Sump. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Flywheel gear, 11 speed. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 10 to 51 T. Components, freewheel. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.